Hey guys, this is One Red Cody, and today I'll be unboxing the Toshiba Mini 5B505. I recommend this for anyone who travels a lot and also for students. So let's get to it. I got this for 280 bucks. That's including tax, in case anyone's wondering. So let's get it. And there we are. Okay, let's get to this first. Check the side compartments. We have the cable thing here for the charger, your batteries basically, what keeps your batteries alive. And here is the Toshiba. Here it is. It's pretty small, but it's a nice carry around. You can carry almost anywhere basically. And extra stuff that I don't know I need to see. So, I guess this is just manual stuff. Okay, so let's close this. Okay. These are just advertisement stuff. Unplug, unpack the box, yada yada yada. Okay, the manual. Okay, so we get to this. This is the big thing. So here it is. Toshiba. As usual, it comes with protection for your keyboards and your screen. It's optional if you want to take that off or not. So this is the Toshiba Mini NB505. This is One Red Cody here. Remember to like or subscribe and do anything else for this video. And thanks for watching.